to make this video here about the Brexit. I guess Britain decided to leave the EU. So anyways, as I stated here on my blog, should Britain leave the EU, Brexit, or remain? I had some speculations about it, but I really didn't give anything definitive. And I knew there was going to be some speculation. It is now Friday, June 24th, 2016. And like I said on here, I explain about this and what it could mean. I talk about the markets will simply do what they always do, that is move, whether Britain exits the EU or remains part of it. It can be present good money opportunities for savvy traders. But I also talk about here, in my opinion, there will be no unprecedented sustainable volatility in the markets. In other words, it could cause it to make a drastic move in either direction, but the indications are that it will retrace or recover. Now, I got an email here from Forex Crunch. Okay, it says, "Dear reader, this is a special letter following the EU referendum in the UK. Voters went for a Brexit, leaving the EU, and shocking global markets which priced a vote to remain." So in other words, the speculators were thinking that they were going to stay with the EU. Now, so they was prepared for that, I guess, and you know, that's I don't know, but that's what they was doing. They was thinking it was going to remain. So at the time of the writing, Great British Pound USD is about 10% down to 1.34, and the Euro USD is under 1.10. Excuse me. The USD Japanese yen slipped under 100. Commodity currencies also tanked. Well, see, this is what gets me. It says currencies also tanked. No, they didn't, because tanked means they went under completely. Now, if I look at my Forex chart, yeah, here's the Great British Pound USD. Yeah, it took a dive, okay? That was expected, and that's what I talked about. But I'd be willing to bet anybody out there that this will recover. The other one they was talking about was the Euro USD. Now, Euro USD did the same thing. It took a dive, okay, but it's starting to recover, still indicating that it's going down. But it might take a couple of weeks, but this is going to straighten out. This stuff did not tank. It did not tank. It's going to recover, and I have all the confidence in the world that Great Britain is not going to be out. It's just, they have too much. They have a lot of resources, and it'll take them a little bit to figure it out. But that's what this stuff does. And, you know, as I mentioned in the article, the Forex market is going to do what the Forex market does. And anytime there's a politician or anything that happens, the Fed or whatever, somebody comes out and opens their mouth, and if it doesn't go in the way of the speculators, everything just kind of goes in the wrong direction. That's not a reason to panic. And so anyways, I explain all this in my best Forex strategy. I hadn't made a video for a couple, it's been about a week, and so far we are $364.45 in profit for the month. We are up, I've got a couple trades out right now, so I'm not going to do all that, but $6,065.27. Pick up a copy of the Best Forex Strategy. You get a free copy of the Codex of Money. Understand how the bankers think and why there is no reason to panic. Even if you was on the right side of this, you banked out. But if you was on the wrong side of it, if you lost some money, whatever, there's no reason to panic. This stuff is not going to crash. It's going to carry on as normal. They're not going to crash the currencies. As I said in the other videos, they will not crash the currencies, because if they crash the currencies, all the other currencies will they'll suffer, and they will lose billions of dollars. And nowhere did I see anywhere where it would affect other currencies, but I mentioned that it would affect other currencies if it did take a drastic move. So anyways, pick up a copy of the Best Forex Strategy, get a free copy of the Codex Money, understand how the bankers think, and that's it for this video. Have a good day.